Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2496th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Hey, I'm back from my OMNI camp. I'm so glad to be back. Markets are going crazy and we need to look at them. Remember that this is a very risky game. Risk, risk, risk. Never trade without stops. We had a great trading day yesterday, but today, on Wednesday, we had a bad trading day. We only lost about half of what we made on Tuesday, but still, put your stops in because things can go bad. We plan on killing it for Thursday, though, I promise you. So, risk, risk, risk. Yes, of course, this video is for trading on Thursday. That would be November 17th, 2022. What we're looking at is the Russell 2000. Look at the bull flag building, right? Looks nice. Bull flag above the 200 bar moving average, right? See what I'm talking about? You got the bull flag pole, the flag's building. You're above the 200. Well, that was as of the close on Tuesday evening. We're going to add Wednesday in, which is today, the day I'm filming this video, but we'll be using this video to trade tomorrow on Thursday. So today's bar Wednesday is going to be added in, and that basically likely negates the flag. See what happened there? We dropped below the flag, likely negating this bull flag. And so let's move it out of the way. All right, so let's say it's not a bull flag. Okay, then what could it be? Look here and look here. Look at that. Now, right now we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 days above the OMNI, and then 4 days above the 200 bar moving average, and then it cracks. Look over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then it cracks above the 200. So I say negate that possible bull flag. We'll strike it out for now. Yes, it's likely negated, but what is this really turning into? Failure at the 200 so far. Looks like we have failure at the 200 bar moving average. That's what's happening now. Let's make that the same color as the average. All right. MA will make capital. The 200 bar moving average is now the thing to start paying attention to, because guess what? That's what happened here. All right, so now we'll keep our eyes peeled on that and see if that is going to top us out again here like it did here. One day at a time. We are day traders. That's what I wanted to show you. Thank you for tuning into these videos. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to them. That's the only way other people will know we're out here. And then meet me in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com. It's free to you. No credit cards are required. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good luck trading out there.